What's up, guys? So I got another package in the mail today. I ordered some parts from Jconcepts. They make different Lexan bodies and tires, wheels, and different other goodies. So I ordered some new tires, wheel combo for my low C Super Baja Ray. Oh, no, Baja Ray, sorry, the 1/10 scale one. Maybe it is a Super Baja Ray, but it's the non 2.0, so it's the 1/10 scale car. I'll actually be doing a video on that one coming up pretty soon here, and I'll be testing out these tires at the sand dunes soon, and also probably the snow this weekend. We're gonna get some snow here in California finally. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to try that out. So let's unbox these bad boys and check them out. All right, here we go. Let's open this bad boy up. So, pretty cool. They have their own tape here. I was able to tell what it was right away when it came in the mail, so it's kind of cool. Alright. Just toss them out here. So, got a set of the paddles. So they're animal yellow compound with the Tremor wheel. Fits multiple style cars. Didn't say exactly how tall they are. Yeah, Jconcepts. So heard good things of their stuff, so I figured I'd give them a shot. Check out that paddle. So it kind of reminds me of like a big sand rail paddle. A little different than like the Scat Track style, a little more aggressive. So it's actually there's more paddles than a lot of the other paddles out there, but they're a little bit smaller scoops, so should be pretty good here. And the wheel's pretty nice here, the design. Of course, it's got the hex pattern in the back, so looking pretty good, Yeah, a little more light here so you can see a little better. Yeah, so I ordered 2 sets of these. The Baja Ray is 4-wheel drive, so I figured I'd try it with 4-wheel paddles. But I also ordered a different set of wheels for the front too. So here's the other set of the paddles. And then I also ordered a front wheel here. So they call this the Hawk, and it's on that same Tremor wheel, so you have matching style wheels for it. And there we go. So the wheel's the same, and then the tire has a couple little like mohawk type things in it. It's different steps, so it starts kind of small, it gets a little bit bigger. Help get a little bit of grip in the sand and stuff. Not really sure how they do in the snow, but I'll try and give that a try too. But I'm definitely gonna be testing out 4-wheel paddles in the snow. I think that'll be super blast. But yeah, these are really nice. It's a big wheel with a low profile tire. There's foam inside there. Yeah, definitely super nice stuff here. We'll get some little close-up shots for you, and then hopefully this weekend I'll have some test footage for you.